Within the apparel industry, we get a lot of push to create more product all the time, create new product all the time, and have something constantly rotating through our lines so that our customers are always seeing newness from us. But what about the customers who have a product in your line that they love and they want to be able to buy it over and over again year after year? These products are what we call evergreen products in our lines. And I just feel like it's such a miss that too many brands don't have evergreen products that they consistently put out year after year. They don't have a consistent color palette that they stick to year after year. A great example, this is one of my favorite sweaters of all time. I love it. I wear it. If you guys have been watching my videos, you've probably seen me in it a couple of different times. It's super comfortable and soft on the inside and the outside. I can't buy any more of them. There are no more in stock ever. The company who makes them is not making them anymore. I would go buy 20 of them if they were still there, but I can't. And so something that I just want you to start thinking about as well is as you develop your apparel line or as you're working with your company to develop your apparel line and to think about what's coming up in the future is what are the pieces that are staples for your most loyal customers and how can you keep them in the line to make sure that they keep coming back for those pieces year after year?